this is going to be a vlog takeover. So for today's video, we are going to be preparing meatballs. Yes, you heard it here, folks. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Tools and equipment used. So you're gonna mix all your ingredients in your mixing bowl. And make sure to mix it well. Form small balls from the mixture using your hands. In batches. When the meatball is very brown and crisp, remove from the heat and drain it on a paper towel. Heat some oil in a pan, then saute the ginger, onion, and garlic. Add water, ketchup, and vinegar, then mix it well. Adjust the heat to low, then add salt, pepper, and sugar. Slowly add the cornstarch mixture while stirring. Simmer for 1 minute, then remove the heat. Combine the meatballs and the sauce and top it off with green onions. So before I end this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.